Hello everyone, I'm Paula from Weavedin and welcome back. Before we get started, I just want to say sorry it took so long to upload part 2. I was looking for the best, neatest way to join the diamond motifs because I wanted the finished blanket to look as professional as possible. After trying a few different methods, I finally found the one I am happiest with. It gives a strong join, keeps the blanket flexible, and most importantly, creates a lovely neat finish that really lets the optical illusion stand out. So thank you for your patience. I think it was worth the wait. I'm going to show you how to join these pieces, these 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. Once you have added a single crochet border to all of your motifs, lay them out on a flat surface exactly how you want your blanket to look. Remember, the optical illusion comes from the arrangement of the colors, so take your time to check that everything is in the correct position before you start sewing. So you start with the black, and then we add the other color, and then the white. Okay, so thread your needle using the tail. You're going to start from this corner. Insert your needle through the back loop of the first stitch on both motifs and pull the yarn through. So we're going to insert the needle in the first stitch here in the corner of both motifs. So this is the corner as well, and pull the yarn through. So we're going to continue working into the back loops only, matching each stitch on one motif with the corresponding stitch on the other. As you sew, avoid pulling the yarn too tightly. The seam should be firm enough to hold the motifs together, but relaxed enough to allow the blanket to drape naturally. When you get to the next opposite corner, fasten off and weave in the ends neatly. So we are at the corner here. We're going to reinforce the stitch. And weave in the ends neatly. We're going to weave into the same color. Okay, from here you continue joining the remaining motifs one at a time. So we're going to join the black one. Then when you get to the corner, just reinforce that stitch. You can have 2 stitches in the same space. Then you continue working on the other side. Okay, so when you're sewing the black and the white together, or black and the other color together, make sure you've got enough lighting, as it can be very difficult to see the stitches on the black piece. So when you get to the end, you weave in the ends. So this is how the piece looks like. Okay, so these are the 3 pieces joined. So from here, continue joining the remaining motifs one at a time, checking your layout regularly. As more diamonds are joined together, you will begin to see the optical illusion emerge. Watching the pattern develop is one of the most rewarding parts of this project. Where several diamond points meet, take a little extra care to align the corners neatly. A tidy center point makes a big difference to the overall appearance of the blanket. I really hope you enjoy making this blanket as much as I have enjoyed making it and sharing it with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Weavedin channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part of this project. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting. I will see you in the next tutorial.